We're now on our third Go Wales placement, and they've all been absolutely exceptional. And what's exceptionally useful for us is our main demographic are young people aged 18 to 25, 30, and the students that we have on placement are our key audience, and they know what appeals to their age group, so they bring fresh ideas to what we're doing. We're learning from our placement holders as much as they're learning from us. We're a small charity, pressure's on our time, but it's been quite a light touch though for us because we put the time in at the start to plan, but they have just flown. And now, you know, the individuals come in, they crack on with actually very minimum supervision and support. We've got a young lady now who's studying marketing at university, so she comes with the cutting edge theories and ideas, and we've given her practical opportunity to put those ideas into practice. And in terms of a business perspective, we've been able to increase our capacity where we wouldn't otherwise be able to.